Alright guys, so I forgot my mask. But next to the hotel, there's a store called Shipwrecked, and it's really cool. It actually has all these different types of knickknacks and all these kind of things that you really should check out for yourself. I don't know, I found it really interesting outside. I saw the outside of it and I thought, I just have to show this. And it's nice to, I like all these different unique items. I like the treasure chest. Many of these clocks here. I love the way that this place is designed. My house is. I gotta get it. Probably come here later. Tell my sister about it. And oh, so there's this horse. That's actually pretty cool. So I'll show you the outside in a little bit, but here, I love the uniqueness though. I'll show you guys out front what it looks like. Ooh, flamingos. I know who like those. And pelicans. This is a cool store. I gotta come back at unicorns. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Okay. So like I said, looks like they really work hard at trying to take care of their place. And, it's so cool. They have these seashells here. And I really appreciate them letting me video in here. Oh, this is cool. So I know this one isn't really that long, but just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea. Me and my sister are going to come back later. Probably not with this video, but I do kind of want to give you guys a kind of a sneak peek at this place called Shipwrecked. And it's in the Outer Banks. I know I'm sounding weird if I'm not like this right now, so. But it's definitely a place you should check out. Because I really love this stuff in here. And I want to thank again the people that let me film. I appreciate you guys. And if you like this video, give it a like, hit subscribe. See you in the next.